Advanced noise reduction techniques offer powerful solutions for eliminating NVR noise. A significant upgrade is switching from traditional hard disk drives to solid-state drives. SSDs have no moving parts, virtually eliminating noise from spinning platters and mechanical vibrations. This can reduce noise by up to 80% compared to HDDs. Lorex is integrating SSD options in their 2025 NVR SSD series for quieter operation. Another effective technique is moving the hard drive outside the NVR case into a vibration dampening enclosure. This prevents vibrations and noise from being transmitted through the NVR housing. External enclosures often feature shockproof and waterproof designs for added protection. If replacing the HDD isn't feasible, placing the entire NVR on a vibration isolation platform can dramatically reduce noise transmission to your environment. These platforms use multiple layers of dense foam or rubber to absorb mechanical vibrations before they can spread. Looking ahead, the trend is toward quieter, more efficient NVR systems. Future firmware updates will incorporate AI-driven noise reduction, predicting cooling needs, and minimizing fan activation. Edge computing may decentralize storage, reducing NVR load. The ultimate goal is silent surveillance through fanless designs and advanced materials like graphene-based dampeners.